overflowing with worshippers, the Grand Mosque of Mecca unaccommodating to the pilgrim masses. Outside the mosque's walls, it's more of the same, with people from around the world clamoring for space in Islam's holiest site. It's a reality that Saudi Arabian authorities hope to one day change. An audacious expansion and renovation project is underway at the Grand Mosque and sites across the holy city of Mecca. For centuries, Muslims have come to Mecca to perform the Hajj, which nowadays brings together up to 3 million pilgrims. Expanding and renovating the Grand Mosque and the city's infrastructure without disrupting this holiest of spiritual journeys will be a challenge for international developers and engineers spearheading the project.
The second challenge, I think, is the topography of Mecca. Mecca itself is valleys and high mountains and this kind of thing. So you need a special expertise in tunnels in dealing with such situation.
Saudi authorities estimate the project will cost nearly $130 billion over the next 10 years. More than 40 mega projects are planned. But when it is done, Mecca, the historical birthplace of Islam, will have a newer, modern look. And here is where the old and new will meet. Just steps from the Grand Mosque, new residential and commercial towers race towards the skies, offering breathtaking views of the